Hey, what's up, good people? This is Larry Jones back with you here. Hey, at the end of this video, make sure you check out all of my links. My name is Larry Jones for those of you that are new to the page. And if you are new, go ahead and hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell. If you've been following me for a while, hit the hit the like button. It does help to keep me alive. Make sure you never fall for spam. I will never ever ask you to send crypto money or anything, talk about a broker, none of that. That's all spam, all right? If you get in anything from me, it's spam. Hey, let's go right into it. The market is doing what we thought it would do. I posted a video early this morning warning you guys. I keep warning you guys. I will tell you there's a lot that's going to happen. And I'm going to get into some things, but I'm also going to reveal my $5 a day Larry Jones challenge so we can dollar cost in through this bear market and come out and make 30, 50, 200, 400% on our money by 2025, 500% on our money by the end of 2025 on some of these stock from now until then. I'm telling you, dollar cost averaging is the way to go. And someone asked, what is dollar cost averaging? That is taking a specific amount of money, and the easiest way to do it is every time you get paid. I don't care. Right now, I'm saying $5 a day for those of you that can only afford that, and keep doing this for years, okay? And you only have to purchase the stock when you get paid. If you get paid weekly, then that's when you buy the $5 weekly. If you get paid bi-monthly, then that's or monthly. You understand? That's the way it goes. So let's talk about what's going on in this roller coaster market. And it is a roller coaster. All right, banks reported today. It was kind of mixed, but most banks were down. Some were actually up today. Most of my banks were down today, but don't be fooled, because when the interest rate hikes actually start to happen, these banks will make money, okay? So you do your own due diligence. Anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell a stock or a crypto, okay? So I want you guys to check those out. I've been, my last 3 or 4 videos, I've been telling you guys what is working in an environment like this, like Walmart's consumer discretionary, like Walmart, McDonald's, dollar stores. You can even look at Walgreens. Those are the type of places, companies, should I say, that make money in markets like this, because people start to actually purchase smaller, more inexpensive things, okay? So, you know, if things get tight and the market goes down, now you're not going out to the steakhouses, okay? You're not going out to the higher end Longhorns, even though those will make money at a period of time, but you will be going more towards the McDonald's value meal. The key word being value, just like value stock are the ones that will perform better in a market like this when they're talking about higher interest rates, okay? So I wanted to talk about that, kind of give you a breakdown. A lot of you don't know that Monday the markets will not be open. I knew today was going to be another red day, though it wasn't too bad, actually. It being a 3-day weekend, especially in a volatile market. Now, I played a video this morning, and he said when the Fed, and I agree with the gentleman, if the Fed would clearly tell us how many rate hikes that is going to happen, and how much he's going to, and how much tapering they're going to do, and how much of balancing the books that they're going to do, then the market would absorb that quicker, and it will literally be better for us. But because one minute he's dovish and the next minute he's hawkish, meaning one minute he's printing money like it's going out of style, and then the next minute he's doing something because we printed too much money, okay? And it's all to control inflation. So every time they talk, one of the things that the market does not like is uncertainty, okay? But we do know that tech stock are the ones that's going to get beat down the most, and low cap stock, growth stock, those are the ones that get beat down the most. What generally works in a market like this is financials, banks, etc., energy, oil, and then, the Walmarts, the Walgreens, the McDonald's, and the dollar stores. Those are the ones that perform better in healthcare and some specific biotechs. So those are the ones that generally work in this market. All right, good people. I'm going to tell you, half of the YouTubers out there that have been talking about the same two stock or the same one crypto for an entire year right now, they will not be here next year because they don't know how to navigate through a market like this. All right. I remember 2008 like it was yesterday because that's when I got it. I actually made more money in 2008 than I did any other year before then, just like I made more money in 2020 because I know how to be in the right places in the right times in markets like this. All right. So all of these newbies, it's not that they're new, but they just know how to hype a stock or a crypto. They're not going to be around. All right, let's get into it. Listen, I'm using Fidelity. Fidelity did upgrade their site. And remember, I told you guys how to buy fractional shares. Okay, I'm going to leave a video right here that's going to explain my $5 a day challenge even more. And here's where you're going to see my crypto picks. So not only am I going to show you my stock pick, but my crypto picks will be in this video. Now, here is one of the changes that Fidelity made, right? So buying fractional shares, they actually made it easier. So if you look here now, all you have to do as soon as you go to make a trade is select the dollar amount. So hit the dollar amount and we're going to hit buy. And I'm just going to buy $5 a day. Okay, $5.005. And I just hit market order. All right. Then we're going to preview the order. And then we're going to place the order. All right, good people. So that's the change that Fidelity made if you're using Fidelity for your $5 a day. They really did make it easier for you. Okay. And I like that because you don't have to go into an extra window. All right. These are some of the things that's going to help you in this $5 a day challenge. Now, I'm going to say one thing, and that is you do not have to use the stock that I'm using. You could use the stock that you want to use, okay? You can replace any of these stocks. These are just suggestions, okay? And I have it broke down into different portfolios within one profile. And I did this on Fidelity because it kind of lays it out nice and clean for a computer. So I have 4 ETFs, okay? I have 4 ETFs plus a wild card, so that's 5 ETFs. I have growth stock, and some of those are in disruptive future stock. And I have 4 of those, plus I have 2 wild cards. So 4 or 5, I have 6 of those. And then I have some blue chip. All right, let's get right into it. So here it is, good people. This is my $5 a day challenge, hashtag $1 million cup of coffee, investing $5 a day. All right, let's go over some of the stock in these, I'm going to call them funds. Okay, so I'm using Fidelity. I like the way that you can easily set these up under one profile. You can put different portfolios under one profile. So here is, as you can see, these are my ETFs and these are my blue chip companies, right? So I have ARK, I have QQQ, I have the SPY, the Vanguard VOO, and this is Invesco QQQ. Of course, this is Kathy Wood's ARK Invest. And then Vanguard's VTI. And then I have VUG, okay? And so I put VUG in there because I like VUG. It's Vanguard's index funds, all right? So now you could do VUG or you can do VB, all right? VB is Vanguard's small cap ETF, smaller growth stocks, okay? And but I like VUG, which is Vanguard's large cap growth companies. The difference in a small cap and a large cap has a market cap over 10 billion. So that's why I chose to go with VUG. Remember, you could switch these out whichever ones you want, right? So look here. This is the last price. These are the closing price. These are today's gains, all right? And these are total gains. So I just bought these today, and this is the current value of all. As you can see, they're just under $5, and I bought $5 a piece on each one of them, okay? Now, let's go to the blue chip companies, all right? I'm calling these blue chips, okay? Apple, Amazon, which are blue chip companies, Google, Microsoft, NVIDIA, all right? And then I put Tesla in there. Same thing, go to the top, you could see that here they are. Here's the current value, all right? So you could see the current value of them all. As you can see, losing a little money here, all right? So these are my blue chip companies, all right? Remember, we're gonna dollar cost average in for let's say till 2025. All right. We're going to do this for years, good people, because this is how we build wealth. All right. Let's go to the next one. Okay. Now let's look at the growth. As you can see here, down here at growth, we have DraftKings. We have Lucid. We have Palantir. Okay. We have Roblox. We have SoFi. And initially, I told you guys that we were going to use the sundial, but they won't let you do the fractional shares on sundial for some reason. So I chose to go with Tilray, which I kind of wanted to add Tilray anyway. So we're going to replace SNDL with TLRI. All right, that's Tilray. Both are in cannabis, of course. And as you can see, I just bought these today, as you can see, on today's, P&L, down here and down here. That is no problem. We're going to dollar cost average all the way through. This shows how much of the portfolio is invested in each one. And you could see the quantity, and you could see the 52-week range on these. All right. So you can freeze these and look at them and see if they work for you. And remember, these are just my picks. You can turn around and switch these out for anything, okay? You could switch any of these out. You could switch any of the ETFs out for whatever you like. These are my picks, okay? And we're just gonna see how they perform. So there you have it, good people. Those are my picks. Remember, you can use whatever you want to use, all right? And hey, do me a favor. Post in the comments what your, in these different sections, or, post what you would do, all right? Post what yours would be. As a matter of fact, you can also do it with the crypto, all right? And for my crypto picks, I want you to watch the video that's going to come in this box. All right. So listen, good people, this is what I want you to understand. This is what you need to show your kids and your friends and your family members right now, because this is what exactly why wealthy people are wealthy and poor people are poor. Because of lack of planning, right? For instance, you can just trade invest $5 a day. Now, you don't have to do all ETFs, all growths, or all blue chips. You could do 2 ETFs, 1 growth and 1 blue chip. And at the end of the month, you could put $38 per stock, and that equals $5 a day. Do the math, right? I did it for you. So if you pick 4 of these, and at the end of each month, put $38 into each one, that literally equals $5 a day. Now, what I'm going to say is you're going to see a lot of these go down as the weeks go by. They're going to go down, down, down. I'm not worried about that. That's why we're dollar cost averaging. But what you have to understand is some of these are already beat down. They're just going to get beat further down. The more that I dollar cost average in as they go down, the more I'm buying them on a discount. Because when we come out of this bear market and then we go back and the bulls take over, now I've bought all of these at a discount, and now these are going to be worth that much more. That is the good part about dollar cost averaging. I want you guys to understand this that don't fully understand the concept. I'm making less money on these when they're turning green. So when someone comes here, because negativity comes every time a bull market comes, and they go, oh, look at your portfolio, it's red. This is not a swing trade or a day trade. This is long-term investing. Now, my challenge to you is hang with this until the end of 2025. And I guarantee you, for those of you that have never invested, it will blow your mind. Okay? So now, what happens in a bear market is different than a crash or a correction. I actually like a correction or a crash, but a correction, if it falls more than, if it falls more than 10%, a crash if it falls more than 20%. Me personally, I like that even better because it just gets it over with and then it spikes back up. But in a bear market, it takes forever, months and sometimes years, okay? And so it goes down and you think it's down and then it comes up a little bit and then you think it's over and then it comes back down and you go, oh my goodness, then you buy that dip. Then it comes back up a little bit, then it goes down and then it comes back up a little bit and then it goes down. And it never ends. That's what a bear market does. So you think you're buying the stock at the best price and the rug just keeps getting pulled from under you. The best and safest thing to do right now is to dollar cost average. So that's what I want to do, good people. This is what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to build a sustainable portfolio for the long term. Remember this, long term. Now, this is not the time to try to get rich quick. Those are the people that will lose their money, and those are the people that are going to complain. They're going to come on this page, and I invite you guys to tell them to shut up and go away. I'm going to look you in the eye and tell you, this is the time to build wealth. I'm going to end by saying this. Millionaires are made in bull markets because everybody's a genius in a bull markets. But billionaires are made in bear markets because we are going to buy stocks and crypto on the longest sale and on discount than ever. All right? And from now until 2025, I want you guys that can to get a side hustle and invest it all. Take your regular money and buy, pay your bills, but create a side hustle and invest it all from now until the end of 2025. I don't know about you, but a lot of you guys are going to pay your house off. A lot of you guys are going to be debt free. A lot of you guys are actually going to be millionaires. I want to be by the end of 2025. I'm telling you, I'm going to make millions with an S. And so that's what I'm doing with this. And this is really easy, set it and forget it. And if you have an addictive attitude and you like to gamble and you just want to dump all of the money in, this is not for you. If you're going to complain when you see the red, this is not for you. Because when you see the red now, you have to remember, consistency is the key. When you see the red now, just know you're getting it on a discount, okay? And if you don't have a broker, I want you to check out what I have below, right? I have Webull below. I have a link for that. And if you want to follow this really easily, laid out really easily, then go to Fidelity. And I say if anybody over 30, you could actually do this in a Roth IRA. So go call Fidelity, open up a Roth IRA, and you can do this because it's pre-taxed. And if you keep the money in there for a minimum of 5 years or until the age that you're 59, then when you pull it out, you don't have to pay capital gains tax, all right? Check with your tax preparer, which I am not. All right, good people, I'm going to leave it right there. I will be seeing you. I'll probably drop a short one from my phone over the weekend. I will not be doing one on Monday. The market is closed on Monday. I will be seeing you guys on Tuesday. Please share this with all your family and friends right now. This will be life-changing. Break those generational curses of poverty. All right, good people, and not being prepared and not leaving an inheritance for your children and your children's children. We'll see you later. Live, love, laugh, and learn.